Okay, click on that. Yes, recording is started. Now
Okay.
share your screen.
Okay.
Yeah, at 2:30 we started. Okay.
Yes, right.
Visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then we'll take 18.04.
Are we going to take 18.04?
Yes.
16, na?
16.
16.04, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, 18.04 is latest version.
Yeah.
So there is a means repository is not available for 18.04. So
It's
we are
not
using
stable.
16. Yes, it is not stable. Yes.
Yes. Next. 8 GB
It's
Yes.
or
okay.
10.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Hmm. Existing. Actually, I have already used this, so I'll go through with this. I have opened TCP 5030 name node and all ports.
You have allowed
Okay.
many ports, right? It is a universal security group. It can be applied to any.
It's a global
It's,
cluster.
is it okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
It's okay.
Okay. Mm, launch.
You can name it.
okay, there is a public IP.
Public IP. Copied. Authentication. Yes. I'll increase the size, font size.
Screen is freeze, I think. We cannot see the screen.
Okay. Now visible?
Yes.
Yes. Visible now?
No, no.
No.
No. Now?
Yes, it is
Yeah,
visible.
it is visible.
Okay. So in single node cluster, it's like first we have to do passwordless login. For that we have to do SSH. So first we will do that. First we'll update.
Okay.
Screen is visible, no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Done. Now SSH keygen. Enter. Okay, so right. So we have id rsa.public key.
Right.
We'll append this into authorized keys.
Okay.
Okay.
We have to do cat now for that.
Oh, right. Cat. Set of
Rest keys.
Okay, so cat. Oh, this Danish.
Yes, there it is.
Okay. Now the passwordless login we have done.
Okay.
Now we'll go for the download and installation of Java. We have installing Java JDK 8.
Right, right. Open JDK 8.
Right, open JDK 8. And it's used in development, na JDK.
Yes, right.
Okay. Then next we have to download and install Hadoop 1.2.1.
Yes, right.
Yes. So here we are using Hadoop 1. That's why we are clustering with Hadoop 1. Hadoop 2 is also available, and nowadays people are clustering with Hadoop 2.
Right. Currently Hadoop 2 is
Yeah.
using. Now we have to tar.
Enter.
X option is for extraction, right?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
And Z for
Unzip.
unzip, V for verbose, and F for forceful. Okay.
Yes.
Now we have to both this file to our location of user local Hadoop.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, good afternoon, Harshal. Harshal has joined.
Time. Sorry for the delay.
You are on right time.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have to configure the Bash RC Linux environment.
Yes.
Right.
Bash RC is basically for setting the environment variables, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we set up the Bash environment here, Linux environment.
Yes.
Because Bash is our default command prompt, right? That's why.
Right. So here we are giving Hadoop prefix path to our Hadoop.
Yeah.
Then Java home is path for our OpenJDK Java.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, take care that everywhere it is Java, right? Okay. While installing.
Right. Now the main Hadoop configuration file we have to configure. For that, we just move to this folder or we change our directory. So here all the files are there.
Okay.
Okay.
Site.xml, Hadoop environment.sh, then STFS site.xml,
Yeah.
slaves, masters, mapper.site.xml. So we have to configure these files, okay?
We have to configure all file one by one.
Then first core site.xml. Environment, right? Hadoop environment first we have to configure.
Okay.
Copy. From here, so we just Control K.
Not here.
Come
We
down na. End
Yeah.
na.
No, ये नहीं था शायद. Okay, Control
X.
You had pasted it in a wrong place.
You can come down na.
Yes. Do Control X. Don't save the file.
1 second. From here now, Java home.
No.
Java home from right here, I think.
It is quite confusing. Do Control X. After that, you will be going in that file.
You can
Control
again.
X and N.
Okay,
Control
okay.
X and N.
N.
Nano Hadoop environment.
Again go.
It is saved, I guess. It will show.
I think
It is pasted actually somewhere.
Come at the end of the file.
Yeah, it is pasted above.
Wait, go,
pasted
go,
above.
go. Yeah. It was pasted somewhere in the
Pasted
middle.
above. Yeah.
Right.
It is pasted in between
Yeah,
two
yeah.
sentences.
You need to cut it. You need to cut
Yeah.
down.
This 1, 2,
And
3.
see
Cut text.
from
Control K. Control K.
Come below.
Select-
Come below. Come below. Come below. Yeah,
Select
this is 1, 2,
Control
3,
K.
4, 5.
Control K.
I think.
first
Wait,
three.
wait,
This
wait,
is
wait.
not,
This
I
is
this is
this
not
was already
mine.
this is not that. This
This is
this was
already-
already there.
This is already
Right.
there. Just come
Yes.
at the end of the file and paste it. I think that should work.
I'll try.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Done.
Can we paste that command anywhere, or means we are configuring Hadoop environment and we pasted that export at the end, and sometime in I think in Hadoop environment only we have to paste it in middle, in between.
See, wherever you paste, it doesn't matter. It's just because we need to keep track what we pasted. That's why we do it at the end. Because any
Ah.
changes that we make, we will know where those changes are. Otherwise, we'll have to find them in the whole file. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, but Mayur, in two of the file, we are pasting it in under configuration. There is a program in two files.
Right.
Which are
Yes,
going
yes,
to-
that is, yes,
Yeah.
that is necessary
Yeah.
in
So
core
that,
exec.
yeah.
Yes, right.
So now core site.xml.
You'll just have to take care that it isn't pasted after comment, means hashed. You have to remove hash.
Yes,
Otherwise
yes, right.
Right.
it will be taken as comment. Otherwise, it's fine wherever you paste it. Doesn't matter.
Okay, doesn't matter, no?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine then.
Now in this file, you will have to paste it between the configuration.
This is
Right.
mandatory.
Yeah.
Now HDFS. I don't understand why this command like dfs.replication. Why we do
It is used to change the replication factor, which is by default 3. Means 3 copies of those of the same data. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have single node cluster here. That
Right.
it means we have only one node, right?
Okay.
That's why we define the replication value to only 1. Okay.
Right.
That's why we take 3 data nodes usually, because the default replication factor is 3. But you can change it using this property.
Yes, right.
Replication factor. Now mapred site.xml. Okay.
Okay.
So now slaves and master is remaining.
Yeah.
And then
So no, Samia. Yeah, right.
yes.
You did that configure a etc host, right?
No. Now we are doing that only.
Okay.
If we don't change the name, we do not require these steps, right?
Right.
Local host. If it is local host, we need not require this.
Yeah.
So now all configuration files are done. So we'll move out of this directory. And now etc host. Okay.
Right.
Nano.
Hosts. The DNS file.
Right. DNS file. So I have one doubt. Why we put 127.127.127 this
You
IP
can put
here?
anything after 127. It is reserved to the local machine.
Okay.
I'll tell you. Just give a second. See, in the network session, we had that, right? Which IP is for what? This after 127 dot whatever comes, it is a loopback address. Means
Okay.
it goes to the same machine. Okay,
Okay.
you cannot paste any other address of the same if it's the same machine. Use loopback address so that DNS comes back to the same machine. Now here, even if you don't put www.samia.com, it will still accept it. It will
Okay.
just yeah, but it is a good practice to use the DNS,
Right.
whole domain name.
Okay. This.
Yeah, right.
Now, I think execute bash. Okay.
Format Hadoop.
Do SSH localhost na first.
SSH part we had done.
Okay.
SSH localhost. SSH localhost. Try SSH Samia. Try that.
Okay.
See if it works.
Will not work, na?
No, SSH Samia. SSH Samia.
No,
Went to the same address, but okay, fine. Do yes and then SSH Samia. Try that too.
Login.
yes, do
SSH
SSH
Samia.
Samia.
You don't need to exit. It's the same machine.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
it is good.
it works.
Okay.
Just wait, DNS for loopback configured.
Now you
Yeah,
have
we
to
have
format.
configured.
Format.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the logic behind formatting name node?
Mm.
Means we didn't entered anything in name node, na? It is
Right. I
already
think
empty. So why we are
sir
formatting that?
had told about this. I don't remember.
Yes, I too.
Sir something told about this formatting, main node formatting.
Maybe.
Okay, we'll
Start.
find out that too. Why it did.
Yes.
Okay.
Client is running. Start.
I think it is just for the configuration. Everything should be configured. We restart our machines, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Maybe
Right.
like that.
Right.
We are after
Yeah.
configuration, we are restarting name node.
Same. Yeah.
Name node, data node have started SNF.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
logical nodes.
MapRead.sh.
Okay. Start.
Start job tracker.
Yeah, right. This is done. Just check in the
Yes.
browser.
Right. I0070.
Are you looking at the screen? Like we cannot see the screen.
Yes.
Browser.
You
Terminal.
didn't shared.
ये बीच में क्यों बंद हो जा रहा है? Now visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you can try again, just go back. So for the sake of recording, I am saying, yeah.
Okay.
Localhost. Change localhost. Okay.
Page the IP.
Double colon.
Double हो गया.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Sham,
browse the file system
Sham,
there.
explain those things which you told us the last time.
What was that?
Yeah, the letter page this, then we'll talk about it. The double colon.
Okay.
Samya, can you please go back to the name node screen?
Okay.
Yeah, Sam, you are going to tell us about these DFS
Yes.
use, non-DFS use. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, see, we are using the normal machine, which is a single node cluster machine, which is T2 micro. Okay.
Yeah.
So in T2 micro, the cluster summary is showing the details of the limitations and the storage of the file. So we have a DFS file which is used, which is 28.01 KB, which we have got once we have done some changes in the file. Then configured capacity. The capacity of this cluster is 7.69 GB.
Okay.
Because we have selected the RAM of 8 GB, right?
Right.
We have selected the RAM of 8 GB. And non-DFS use, non-DFS use is 1.76 GB. So this is the files which we have downloaded, Java files. Okay, this is the files which we have downloaded from outside. Then
Right.
DFS remaining. So now the storage part, the 5.93 GB is the remaining storage capacity which we are having in the cluster.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is 77.14%. It is empty.
Right.
So are we storing the data on RAM?
No, it is
No,
actually
it's processing.
This is storage. No, this is storage.
It's the DFS storage, no?
Yeah, right. It is the storage. We have taken the 8 GB storage. That's
Yes,
why
right.
this is.
Yes, 8 GB is storage. Actually, T2 micro instance is having a 2 GB RAM, I guess.
2 GB RAM. Right.
Yeah.
Yes, right.
2 GB RAM, I think. Yeah.
No,
8 GB it is total storage capacity.
Storage
That's why
capacity,
take
right?
Yeah.
30 GB afterwards because you want to increase this.
Yes,
Yeah.
right.
So if we take another machines, or if we take at the time of Cloudera, you will see the structure will be changing, and for ecosystem and Hive it will be increasing the memory size. We will get more memory size. In actual clustering, this configuration is somewhat higher for
Okay.
real data processing. For real data processing.
Right.
So in other way, we cannot go with single node cluster with some Hives and all. We cannot do that here.
Right.
Because of time limitation. Yeah, this is
This
about
is
this.
POC.
Yeah.
And it is showing live nodes 1. So live node is name node, na?
Yeah. No. Data node, I think.
Okay.
Name node.
Live node. Live node
Name
is.
node is going to communicate.
Can you please come down? The scroll it down. Name node storage. See, it is showing active. It is showing active.
Yeah. Name node is active, but the live nodes are the total number of nodes that we configure here.
Yes.
Right now we just have single node cluster.
One
That's why
single one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So which
So
is that
successfully
node?
deployed.
Live node is data node or name node?
Data node.
Okay. So when we will be deploying multi-node, so instead of one, it will show 3 live nodes.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what we need to check when Swapnil will deploy.
Right.
We need to come back to Swapnil today itself, and we need to confirm that also. Means like for tomorrow's planning, right?
Yes.
I think tomorrow our Mentas will be joining.
Yeah. Let us hope so.
Tomorrow is
Yeah.
Tuesday.
If mentor will be joining, so we will not take a multi-node, na? Instead of
Right,
that, we will
we'll
be
do
taking
VPC.
VPC. Yes, right.
Right. Yeah.
Because
We'll confirm that in group. Right
yes,
now,
right.
we'll check this.
If they are
50075 also.
if they are going to join, so theory concept clearing will be
Yeah.
beneficial.
Probably if Om is there for VPC, it would be great for us. Like as per Ansar, because Om has a good command. So we'll wait. We'll see what happens. But
Let's see.
meanwhile, you also prepared. I am also going to study
Yes.
VPC only.
VPC.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is successfully deployed.
Okay.
So
We can
go on 50075 also. Port number 50075 is for what?
That's for data node, I think.
Which one? 75.
7.5.
हाँ,
Yeah, data node. Right. No, HDFS. Sorry, not data node. HDFS.
Yes. File system. What is this?
Refresh it. I think, have you given the permission for 7.5 inbound rules?
Yes,
Yes.
permission was there. Click on that web.
Error.
Not found.
Public IP is same, right? Same.
Actually, we used to go on the 7.5 at time of
And
multi-node.
Okay.
right. Or 50010 is for
Right.
Which one?
50010.
10.
Not same.
10 is there, no?
7030 and 75.
Okay.
9001 is MapReduce. The same which you are on the screen.
Right.
Yes, 9001 was there.
Yeah.
Yes, 50075 is for data node.
Yeah,
And 30
HDFS.
is for the job tracker.
Which one?
This one?
This one is name node.
This one, huh?
This one is MapReduce.
1 minute. Go to the, go to
Yes.
up. This what is date is showing compiled by Monday 22 July. Why it is showing 22 July? What is this exactly?
July 22,
Why it is showing?
2013.
Because it is compiled by some other person. See, Matt. He
Matt.
deployed
Matt.
this. We are using Apache version, right?
Yes.
So
Maybe
this
that
the
is the
person.
updates. Okay.
And
Yes.
what's this safe mode?
Safe mode is like a secure mode where read only are these, the things are only read only. We
Right.
cannot do the changes. So that is a safe mode, but for that we need to give the commands in CLI mode, but that is not, we have not done that here.
Yeah.
So that we can edit the things here.
We did that in Hortonworks HA.
Yeah, Hortonworks HA, right,
Yeah.
right. Hortonworks HA.
We did that.
Yeah,
There.
yeah.
Do one thing, visit that 50090 port. That is for secondary name node.
90?
Yes.
50075, I think.
No, it is for
90.
data node, 90.
90. Okay, let
I
us
think
see. Let us
that is 10, I guess.
90.
see. Yeah, it is
Oh.
opening. Huh? Yeah, it is opening.
Secondary name node.
God. Mayur has practiced.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, yeah. This is something new. Okay.
Yeah, not seen before.
So tiny.
Checkpoint size.
This is secondary name nodes.
Yeah.
Name 6.
Number.
Logs.
What's this?
These are log files, na? Log files.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, we have to remember all these nodes. These nodes are asked in interviews. Because one of my friend, he made means one chart of all the node port numbers, and he used to remember those.
Yeah, I remember others, but this was something new.
Yes.
For Cloudera, it's 7080, na?
Yeah.
Yes. 7082 is for
That
Secure.
is also for
Secure.
Cloudera, but securing that.
Yeah, HTTPS. For that.
HTTP. Yes, right.
I think we can also see Samya's name here, na? USR. You click on USR somewhere.
Yes.
Yeah, you have put your name, right?
No, but it is not a file, na. It is host.
It's host name.
Yes,
Okay,
it's host name.
Host name.
I seen somewhere.
For that, you will have to create user. Here
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
user. Okay,
Right.
user.
Yeah, USCR. In USCR, you
Yeah.
can see it.
Or
Or
if we create one file, so that's also in USER folder, na?
yeah, right. User
Third party applications.
Right.
Go back to DFS home. That's why I said. Paste the IP.
Now what to do?
IP.
Paste the IP. Paste the IP. Local
Change
host.
the
Instead of
change,
local
change
host.
the change the IP. Five.
Enter. Go back to DFS home.
It's just taking so much time.
Just keep it till 50075. Wait, we are in root directory, right? Okay. Okay, no issue. DFS.
और किसी ने वो मैप रिड्यूस वाला प्रोग्राम किया क्या?
कौन सा?
कौन सा?
मैप रिड्यूस इसमें प्रोग्राम है शायद, सर ने बताए थे।
हर्षल?
नो, प्रोग्राम है उसमें, मैंने नहीं किया।
कहाँ पे है प्रोग्राम?
एंड ओके, फाइल में है ना?
वो हाँ, कोई जार फाइल में हडूप एग्जांपल विल सी हियर।
अरे हाँ, वो पाई प्रोग्राम, पाई
प्रोग्राम,
पाई
उसके
का
साथ
कमांड
है।
डू
करो
दैट।
ना,
लेट्स
आप करो ना
लेट्स
अभी।
डू पाई।
CLI में जाओ।
कम ऑन सोनिया।
हाँ, एक मिनट, मैं आ गई हूँ शायद। विजिबल?
यस।
या
हडूप 4
तो 4
हडूप।
That's fine.
बाप रे, पूरी कमांड याद है।
यहाँ पे वर्ड काउंट वाला भी था, ये वाला मैप रिड्यूस प्रोग्राम that counts the word in input files.
These are the default example files we have in that.
ये पाई वाला सर ने कर लिया था।
Run that command also na. Let's do pi.
Okay.
After that we will be doing word count. Pi.
और 1000?
Yeah.
Why we are giving these 4 and 1000? Like number of maps are 4 and samples are 1000.
That two arguments. Don't know about that.
Yes, means we have to calculate the value of pi, na?
Yeah, it will calculate on the basis of 1000 divided by 4. I think. No, wait.
Actually, it is giving 1000 samples.
There is some calculation. Wait,
We'll have to see. Maybe written in expert Hadoop book. We'll see. Starting job.
It will give same value, na? Whatever number of samples we take.
No, it will change.
Maybe there will be changes in decimals, not in the first 3 digits.
Yes, right. So the more number of samples we take, the more correct value we will get.
Yeah, right.
Right. This mapping function is changed.
See, it is taking a long time. You take a map 23, na? So it is taking a long time. So
Okay.
before you took a 4, so it was quick.
Okay. समझा. 23.
Completed, na?
23 1 do this.
Yeah, it is completed.
Where is value of pi?
It is up, na?
Not
It is already
terminating
shown.
decimal
Already
expansion.
shown.
Okay, it was
3.14. It has shown already.
it is recursive. That's why the error. No issues.
Okay.
Like if we divide 100 by 3, that's how it will come.
तो 1 किया तो
Recursive.
जल्दी हो जाएगा. Done. अरे
50 है ना?
करो.
number of maps and samples per map. Okay.
Number of maps and samples per map. Okay.
3.2.
28. How? This is wrong value, na?
It depends. I think it depends upon the map values and all, na?
Yeah.
That what we put earlier. It was coming 3.14. When you put 4 and 1000, na?
Right.
Yeah, that time it was coming 3.14.
Do one thing. Select 1 as a maps and a number of samples. 1000. Maybe it is all dependent of number of samples. The more number of samples you take,
Here
more
1000.
accurate. Yes, space 1000.
Space 1000.
Yes,
3.14.
this is exact
Yeah.
value. So it's all depend on number of samples, right?
Yeah.
Both.
Both actually, because
Mhm.
it's showing 3.15,
Because when you
148,
took
148.
4000, the answer was exact 3.14.
Yes, right. But actual answer of that pi is not 3.14. It is 3.142. And after that, there are many numbers.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Let's run that word count command now.
okay. I don't know how to do that.
Let's give it a try.
Okay. This one of map reduce program that counts the word in the
Yes,
file.
right.
So what to type? Word count of?
No, not
Or
like that.
first we have to create the file.
First we have no like jar na you have means fire that
Hadoop.
command like pi. Yes, instead of pi do word count and write name there something. Is it WC or word count?
I think WC is only.
Okay, write your name.
Mine
Yes, word count na it is counting words.
or a file we have to put there.
What?
Let's check.
Yes.
Input files चाहिए उसको.
Unknown program.
Right. It's in the input files. It means first
File
we
is
have to
required.
create file.
Acha, right. Like
File
we had
So-
given text file. So like that
Right.
we have to provide file. After that it will count the words.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Nano.
For what? Acha, you are creating file.
Okay.
Type anything. Instead of
Or
Samiha,
I have to give word count
yes,
for
I
you.
think so.
File name na.
Word count will work na. File. What is it?
Acha, one
In out
second.
Sorry, there is some
result.
No, error.
input. You will have to put that file over HFS, like Hadoop FS hyphen
Okay.
Hadoop FS hyphen put result.
Hyphen put
Put.
file. Okay.
Yeah. Hadoop FS hyphen ls. Try that if it is there.
Right.
Yeah, file. Yeah,
There.
right. We have it. Try now.
Yes, it is running.
Yeah, it was this one. Good.
Okay.
Twenty-six.
26. Okay.
Right.
Byte.
6.
Bytes written 26. Yeah.
Or we have to go to that result file.
Maybe. Cat result. Hadoop FS hyphen cat result. Cat result. Try tab.
File doesn't exist. Two files is there.
Yeah.
Do ls. Do ls.
Yeah, she did that ls.
This one.
Okay. File is saved na. What
Yeah,
you
it
get?
is saved. Try nano result.
What?
Hadoop FS hyphen nano result. Maybe. Okay, just go up. We'll try that. Just go up. Wait, where the error is file does not exist. User Ubuntu result. It is there.
It is showing unknown command to
No,
nano.
that nano has issue with that, but this cat command should have worked.
Or what is for this command get? No,
SLSR do count. Okay, do that tail command. Hadoop FS. Actually, it should have worked for that cat command, but we'll try tail.
Or we have to go to that path like.
No,
and
actually, it should be there. It said it didn't found that path, but I can try that. Hadoop FS.
But sir did that blocks and all that.
Yeah, we can try that.
Okay. So move to. Then कहाँ पर था?
Do cat result. It is not there.
In temp folder.
TMP.
CSS Mapred. Hmm. Cloud is this one.
Yes, it is metadata of that file.
So
Do cat to another block.
nothing. Okay.
What is this?
Hmm. ये वाला देख लेंगे. This is original file. Welcome to CloudEdge.
We are searching for that result file. No?
Result, right.
No, it showed us welcome one welcome 121 cloud edge one here. See,
This
we
one.
have the count here.
Right. This is the
Yeah.
result file.
This is the result file. Cloud edge 121 welcome one. It is there.
And
Okay.
this one is our original file.
Right.
Welcome to CloudEdge.
Yes.
Right. So, what else we can do now?
So anything?
Any questions, Swapnil?
No, it's really successfully we have learned new thing today
Right.
because of
Yes.
Samia.
Yes, right.
First stop the recording, I think.
Okay. One second.
I think we can plan for tomorrow, and tomorrow we have to either go for VPC or for